Hey there, garage gurus. Ever dream of a garage floor so shiny it could double as a dance floor? But then you see those stains and cracks and think, ugh. Well, good news. DIY garage floor coating might be your new favorite weekend project. Sure, DIY saves you a bundle, but if you can't find the time or deal with the hassle, a professional install may be the way to go. Think of it, picking your perfect color, setting your own timeline, and trusting the pros to make it picture perfect. Before the team shows up, remember, prep, clear out everything. The pro team you hire will make sure the floor is ready to be prepped for adhesion. When it comes to coatings, you've got options: paints, budget-friendly but less durable, or durable epoxies. And hey, for an eco-conscious glow-up, check out Lifetime Green Coatings. They're non-toxic and VOC-free, so you can breathe easy. For a custom look, toss in some color flakes for that extra oomph. And for maximum sparkle and protection, a clear top coat is your BFF. So, DIY or pro? DIY saves cash and gives you bragging rights, but pros, like Lifetime Green Coatings, with their lifetime residential warranty, offer ultimate durability and a flawless finish. Either way, get ready to transform your garage from drab to fab.